Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a small but absolutely critical component that plays a monumental role in the performance and longevity of your heavy-duty diesel engines, the fuel rail pressure relief valve. Specifically, we're focusing on part number 095420-0201, a high-quality replacement designed for Cumminss construction machinery as well as ISUZUU engines like the 4HK1, 6HK1, and J05E. If you operate or maintain these powerful machines, understanding this valve is essential. Stick around as we uncover why this component is so vital for maintaining optimal engine health and efficiency. The 095420-0201 fuel rail pressure relief valve is engineered with precision, a hallmark of its design. Its primary function is to act as a safety and regulation mechanism within the common rail fuel system. This system operates at extremely high pressures, precisely injecting fuel into the engine cylinders. Our valve ensures that this pressure remains within safe and optimal operating limits, preventing overpressurization, which could severely damage other sensitive and expensive components. Crafted from robust, high-grade materials, this valve is built to withstand the rigorous demands of heavy-duty applications, including constant vibration, extreme temperatures, and high fuel flow rates. Its exact fit and function for specific engines like the Cumminss range and ISUZUU's 4HK1, 6HK1, and J05E guarantees seamless integration and reliable performance right out of the box. The precise calibration of this valve is what truly sets it apart, ensuring consistent fuel delivery and safeguarding your entire fuel system. So, what are the tangible benefits of installing or replacing your pressure relief valve with a high-quality unit like the 095420-0201? Firstly, it offers unparalleled engine protection. By preventing dangerous pressure spikes, it safeguards your costly fuel injectors, high-pressure pump, and the common rail itself from premature wear and catastrophic failure. This translates directly into significant cost savings on potential repairs. Secondly, it ensures optimal engine performance. Correct fuel rail pressure is crucial for efficient combustion, leading to improved power output, better torque delivery, and a more responsive engine under varying loads. You'll notice smoother acceleration and consistent power even in demanding working conditions. Furthermore, by maintaining precise pressure, this valve contributes to enhanced fuel efficiency. When fuel is atomized and combusted effectively, less goes to waste, potentially reducing your operational costs over time. Lastly, a properly functioning pressure relief valve dramatically increases the reliability and longevity of your entire fuel system, minimizing unexpected downtime and keeping your machinery operational when you need it most. Recognizing when your fuel rail pressure relief valve might be failing is key to preventing further damage. Common symptoms include a noticeable loss of engine power, rough idling, difficulty starting the engine, or even stalling. You might also encounter diagnostic trouble codes related to fuel pressure issues, or observe increased black smoke from the exhaust. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's a strong indicator that your valve needs immediate attention. Replacement of this critical component should always be performed by a qualified technician to ensure proper installation and calibration within your common rail system. Using a genuine or high-quality equivalent part like the 095420-0201 ensures that your engine continues to perform safely and efficiently, protecting your investment in the long run. Don't underestimate the impact of this small valve. It's the silent guardian of your engine's high-pressure heart. In conclusion, the fuel rail pressure relief valve, part number 095420-0201, is far more than just another component. It's a vital guardian for the powerful diesel engines in Cumminss construction machinery and ISUZUU models like the 4HK1, 6HK1, and J05E. Investing in a high-quality replacement ensures the safety, efficiency, and longevity of your heavy equipment, ultimately saving you time and money. If you're experiencing any issues or simply looking for a reliable replacement, consider the precision and durability offered by this essential part. For more details on this valve or to find out where you can purchase yours, please check the description below. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights into crucial machinery components, and leave a comment with any questions you might have. We're always here to help you keep your machines running at their best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.